Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack. Today, I'll be showing you how to fix an error occurred. Please try again later, Firefox. So guys, if this ever happened to you, it is a very simple fix. So first things first is you could just simply go ahead is disable the hardware acceleration into your Firefox. So to do that, you could just simply select the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. And then over here, you could just simply go ahead and go to the settings. Now over here on the settings, guys, you could just simply search over here, performance, and it will show over here, performance category. And you could just simply uncheck this one, use recommended performance settings. And also if you have use hardware acceleration when available, you could just simply close or uncheck it out. So now, if that doesn't work out, what you could try to do is, of course, you could just simply close out your Firefox. And after that, guys, you could just simply reopen the Firefox. And mostly that can fix the issue by simply closing it and reopening it up. Now, another option is you could just simply select the three lines on the top right corner and then go to the settings. Then over here, go for the privacy and security tab. And now, if we scroll down, we should have an option over here, clear browsing data. So guys, by clearing your browsing data, this will reset the Firefox. And now, when we select clear, remember that all of your data will be deleted and this will reset the Firefox, and mostly this will fix your issue. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.